This is a beautiful 1951 Ford Victoria, the first year for the hardtop from Ford. Beautiful bronze and cream colored car. Very nice paint. The chrome work is excellent. Very nice indeed. This is one of my favorite cars, really. There's the wiring in front of the radiator there. They used cloth covering rather than plastic back in the day. White walls, but they're narrow, and hubcaps. Notice the plate that's behind the push button door handle to prevent scratches. The interior is color matched to the exterior, very, very nice. You notice how the headliner has looks like ribs in it to emulate the way a real convertible would look. The dash is very, very nice. Been redesigned. Very nice indeed. It has a manual transmission, and of course it has that flathead V8. Redesigned taillights, very, very interesting, very nice. The finish is excellent in this car. And it's a harbinger of things to come. A lot of interesting two-tone color combinations, and an interior that is really getting quite deluxe. And this is a low-priced car. You got a lot for your money.